Let's learn about vowel sounds. Vowel has two sounds, short and long. Short sound, short, short sound. Long sound, long, long sound. Short sound, long sound. Let's repeat. Short sound, long sound. This is how we write the short sounds. This is how we write the long sound. Let's see how to say the short sound and the long sound of vowel. Short A, long A. A. Short A, long E. E. Short E, long I. I. Short O, long O. O. Short A, long U. U. Let's learn short vowel sounds with some examples. Here we go. This is the short sound A. As in ant. 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 Apple. 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 Cat. 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 This is the short sound as in egg. Egg. Elephant. Elephant. Pen. Pen. This is the short sound as in igloo. 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 Iguana. Iguana. Tin. Tin. This is the short sound as in orange. 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 Octopus. Octopus. Pot. Pot. This is the short sound as in umbrella. Umbrella. Under. Under. Hut. Hut. Now let's see some examples of long sounds. This is the long sound A. As in alien. Alien. Apes. This is the long sound E. As in eagle. Easter. This is the long sound I. I, as in ice, ice, ice cream, ice cream. This is the long sound O, O, as in oval, oval, oven, oven. This is the long sound U, U, as in unicorn, unicorn, uniform, uniform.